Hey guys, Michael here, and I'm back to talk bricks. Today we're talking Lego BrickHeadz and the Disney Beauty and the Beast BrickHeadz, which were just revealed. Love is in the air, and I've got a Valentine giveaway. Just comment and subscribe, and you could win a prize. We've got our first look at the Disney BrickHeadz. The Belle BrickHead looks perfect as she's in her formal yellow gown. I love the way that the print combines with the piece usage to create the details over the shoulders and the flowing folds at the bottom. She has her rose accessory, and I think that they captured the hair design perfectly. Through the use of those curved pieces, they create the center part as well as the details of the flowing hair at the back. It's certainly a memorable hairstyle from the movie, and I think they did a pretty nice job. It's also interesting to note that Belle has the largest base yet. Next up, we have the Beast, and I'm really loving the look of this one as well. The head shape is nicely accomplished with the curves and slopes, and I really like the details of the ears, eyebrows, and teeth. His chin extends downward at the front, and they even have this dark brown piece for the lips, which is actually really perfect. Again, there's a nice print at the front of the torso to create the ascot and vest. The blue coat has a nice design, and he has a tail at the back. These BrickHeadz are going to be released most likely in honor of the new movie coming out, but the designs definitely are all classic Disney. And seeing these definitely makes me want to see more Disney characters as BrickHeadz. Interestingly, in the press release, there's a quote that says, "Have fun growing your Lego BrickHeadz collection with other classic characters from your favorite movies, TV series, games, and comics." So honestly, I can't wait to see how the line expands. There still are two mystery BrickHeadz after all. These two BrickHeadz join the rest of Series 1 as they release February 15th for VIPs and March 1st for everyone else, for only $9.99 each. But definitely let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. What do you think of these BrickHeadz? And which from Wave 1 will you be picking up? And don't forget, your comment enters you for the giveaway. You must be a subscriber to win. And definitely turn on notifications to find out when my next video is posted, because I'll be announcing the winners at the end of some of the videos. And if you like what you saw here, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up down below and subscribe to make sure you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. That's all the time we've got for today. Thanks and have a good one. Hey guys, Michael here. Click here to watch my breakdown of the summer 2017 LEGO Batman movie sets. And don't forget to subscribe.